to escape, 'cause I'm in need of warmer weather. To sail upon the stream to find there's someplace better. And I'm going far and wide.
Oh, what a save! Nice save.
I dig my heels to climb the highest of the borders. And if I feel the need, I'll dance in the waters, 'cause I'm going far and wide. Ooh. And I'm going far and wide. Ooh. And after all is done, and at the falling sun, life's like an open book, and I'd quite like to take a look. And I walk for miles and wait, I wouldn't hesitate. Life's like an open door, and I'd quite like to see some more. I'm going far and wide. Ooh. I'm going far and wide. Ooh.
I tried to stall, but I ended up going too far. We were like, keep left, same run, and you went right.
I don't know. You have to watch the footage and you'll find out.
Oh, fair enough.
Oh, fuck. I'm stupid. No. Oh, this is not ideal. Oh. I am 100% meant to do this. Oh my god, that's so deep. My foot's disappearing. It's not what I wanted. I got so stuck just there. Oh. No one saw. So good, I meant to do that.
That's a good start.
I don't even know what I was doing.
Bye.
You nearly crashed it. I was trying to stop myself. Because you stopped and I was like, I need to stop myself so I don't run through down there.
Damn it! I'm gonna have to do it again.
Was that where you wanted me to go? Or?
Yeah, that'll do. Okay, I got that. Kids. Amen.
that in your eyes I see your thoughts surrounding me, and I've a little bit of thought for you. Every now and then I fall a bit behind. Every time I stare into your eyes. Every now and then I fall a bit behind. Every time I stare into your eyes. With your thrills I find it's not hard to be left behind. So I'll run and you'll hide. We know better than to stay outside. Your calls and your away. You said I should never have stayed, but there's no better place for me. Every now and then I fall a bit behind. Every time I stare into your eyes. Every now and then I fall a bit behind. Every time I stare into your eyes. Every now and then I fall a bit behind. Every time I stare into your eyes. Every now and then I fall a bit behind. Every time I stare into your eyes. Every time I stare into your eyes. Every time I stare into your eyes.
Oh, Rachel! Wait.
Jesus Christ.
Go on, keep going.
I nearly like get down from this now. There's a rock here, Rachel. You said it too late. We're already going.